It's really simple. Remember, you chose to run. You don't have to. Good morning, what's poppin'? Jordan Thomas here, and today I'm at Cypress Track College for 8x1000, 8x1K, or death by 1000s. I'm going to talk to you today about one of my hardest workouts, as well as what I do to overcome fear when it comes to running. Let's get into it. One of the things I love about this track is that the community uses it, kind of sits right in the neighborhood, which is pretty cool. Complete. Now it's time to get into this workout. So 8x1000, descending from 10K to 5K pace. One of the reasons that I dislike this workout so much, or used to be fearful of it back in the day, is that I didn't run enough volume on a regular basis. So when I would see a workout like this, I would get really scared and really nervous. So my first tip is to identify whether or not your fear is based off of a previous experience or something that's in your head. I'm gonna start down there. Get into this. Back to one. Halfway done. Let's jump right in number 2. Write down the different things that you did and what you could do to prevent it. If you're feeling a workout because you haven't been running long enough, like I was earlier this year, put in more base mileage. If you're feeling a workout because time seems too fast, back off of it. If rest isn't enough, add more to it. It's really simple. Remember, you chose to run. You don't have to. If it's, fear of failure, accept and embrace the fact that this is a part of a workout. This is the time for you to make mistakes. If it's not based off of something that you've actually experienced, well, then it's time to examine what you've been watching, who you've been talking to, who you're listening to, that's influencing you in a way that's causing you to be fearful of something that you haven't even experienced. One of the worst enemies to ourselves is ourselves. But one of the things that I recognize in having a relationship with God is He didn't create us to be fearful. And where you can't necessarily stop every fearful thought that enters your brain, you can take control of it and speak in opposition to it. The next thing that you want to be able to do is pray about things. Like it's okay to pray about the things that give you concern, things like that. Remind yourself about who you are and how God sees you. Remind yourself of the tools around you, people that advise you, so that as you move through a workout, it's not such a scary thing. This isn't my scariest workout anymore because I've had a coach that's helped push me past this particular type of workout. These are the type of things that I like to do to overcome my fears when it comes to various workouts. All right, so last one, I put the times up. That felt really good. One of the best parts that happened was I ended up meeting another runner, really fast guy named Rico, who's I'm gonna probably film here soon. Get him on an upcoming episode. He's like a 150, 800 meter guy, crazy fast. So that's gonna do it. This was a 40-mile week. Yes, that feels really good to get that taken care of for this week. So now it's rest and relaxation, and we'll pick it back up on Monday. See you next time. Jordan Thomas, peace.